The next type of operator is logical operator. A logical operator combines two or more comparison. Two different types of combination of comparisons can happen. The first one is an AND type of combination and the second one is an OR type combination. The result of a logical operator is always a boolean, either a true or false. Now, let us understand about AND type of combination. In AND type of combination, the result is true only if all the comparisons are true, whereas OR means it is false only if all the comparisons are false. You can easily think of a real life examples. For examples, let's say you have two friends. One is Alice and the second one is Bob. There are two different and let's assume that you want to go to the playground based on whether your friend are coming or not. There are two different things can happen. You may decide that if my friend Alice come and Bob come, then only I will go. Which means if both of your friends comes, then you will go to the playground. The other way is if my friend Alice comes or Bob comes, then I will go. Means either Alice or Bob, if one of them comes, then you will go to the playground. The same in here also. And means if both the events are true, both the comparisons are true, then only you will go to the true. And or means either of the comparisons or either of the events are true, means it will be true, so that will be false only if all the events or all the comparisons are false. So here is an example. So here is a comparison 1, which is 8 equals 8, which means whether both the values in the left hand side and the right hand side are equals or not. So of course it will return true because both the values are 8. Comparison 2 is another variable which is storing the value for this 5 greater than 8, and of course this is false because 5 is actually less than 8. So comparison 2 is storing the value of false. Now here result equals comparison 1 and comparison 2. So here is the AND operator, and that's why both the two comparisons, comparison 1 and comparison 2, are combined using AND operator. So what will happen here? Comparison 1 is basically true and comparison 2 is false. So as here it is mentioned, the result is true only if all the comparisons are true. But here, as you can see, one is true, but the other one is false. So of course, if you print the result over here, it will print false. So let us see whether we are getting an expected result or not. And as you can see, it is printing false over here. Now, if I just do OR here instead of AND, now it is just an either or. If either of the comparison is true, then it will give you true. So here it is OR false. So here now we can expect the result is true. So if I just run this, here I am getting the result true over here. So now let us check all the different types of combinations of true or false for both and or operation. So here I have used or operator first. Let me demonstrate that first. So here I am printing the result of false or false, then false or true, then true or false, and then true or true. These are all the possible combinations. And as I have mentioned earlier, or the result is false only if all the comparisons are false, otherwise it will be true. So as you can expect, only the first one will print false. Other than that, everything will be true. So let us see whether it is like that or not. And as you can see, the first one is false because both of them are false. Otherwise, everything is true. On the other hand, if I now do and here like this instead of or, and here also and, so what will happen, as the rule is suggesting, result is true only if all the comparisons are true. So that means only the last one will be true, otherwise everything else will be false. So let us see whether it is giving me this result or not. So here if I run it once again, as you can see, the last one is true because both of them are true over here. Otherwise, everything is false, which is expected result. So this is logical operator, which basically combines the results of two comparisons, which may be either true or false, and based on this and or type of combination, it gives you all the results.